answered. So for two roommates, an air conditioner for their room is a public good. Their utility functions are given by U1 is 3 plus A M1 and U2 is 5 plus A of M2, where M1 and M2 are private expenditures. A can be 1 or 0 because public good या तो होगा या नहीं होगा. And if both our roommates have a wealth of 5,000 each and the AC costs 3,000, we're supposed to find the reservation price and whether or not it's an Pareto improvement for them to acquire the AC or not. So हम लोग सबसे पहले करेंगे reservation price. It's a very simple question. हम लोगों ने इसमें सोफा वाला एग्जाम्पल किया था अपने असाइनमेंट में, if you remember. So reservation price के लिए हम बोलेंगे U of 1 will be equal to, अगर हमारे पास AC नहीं है then will be 0. अगर 0 होगा then the entire wealth will be the private expenditure, which is 5,000, which is 15,000. And U of 1, if he acquires the AC, will be 4 because 3 plus AC will be 1, then 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into M1, which is 5,000, minus the reservation price R1. And अगर मैं reservation price ले रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब ये U1 और ये U1 same है. So 5,000 into 4, sorry, let me write it here. So which means that 20,000 minus 4 R1 is equal to 15,000. So which means R1 is equal to 5,000 upon 4, which is 1250. So 1250 is the reservation price of the first person. Similarly for U2, 5 into 5,000 is 25,000. And U2 for buying it will be 6 into 5,000 minus R2, which is 30,000 minus 6 R2. So R2 is nothing but 5,000 upon 6, which is 6, 8 the 48, 26, 3 the 18, 20, 833.34. 833.3, right? So reservation price of person A is 1250. Reservation price for person B is 833.34. हाँ, अगर आप reservation price को add कर लोगे 1250 into 1250 plus 833.34 comes out to be slightly less than 2200. But the price of the AC is 3,000. So does it make sense for them to buy the AC? No, it doesn't make sense for them to buy the AC. It doesn't make sense for them to buy the AC. So it is not a Pareto improvement for them to buy the AC. अगर AC का प्राइस जो है वो 1500 या 2000 या 1250 plus 833.34 से कम होता, it would have been a Pareto improvement for them to buy the AC, right?